Hi, I'm Brianna with IT Supplies. Earlier this year, Canon announced their new Pro Series printers, the Pro 2600, 4600, and 6600. These new printers replaced the Pro 2100, 4100, and 6100. Here in our Chicagoland showroom, we have the 44-inch Pro 4600. It has a slightly new look and, of course, some improved capabilities. In this video, I want to show you what is new on the hardware and highlight what we see as important benefits. Since the release of these new Canon Pro Series printers, we have posted some videos with all the details of what is new and improved. To learn about everything that Canon has changed, be sure to watch Andy's video titled Canon imagePROGRAF Pro Series Lineup Overview. He talks about the new ink formulation, improved chroma optimizer, plus enhanced durability and light fastness. If you have one of these Pro X100 printers, you may notice that these look just a little different. Canon made the ink tank cover semi-translucent so that the ink status is visible without opening the cover. Just like in previous models, these inks are hot swappable, so if you see that one is low, you can easily come over to the machine and replace it even in the middle of printing. Keeping the user in mind, Canon also added an internal light, which makes prints visible with the cover closed. This light can be set to automatic, always on, or always off. Canon carried that semi-translucent cover over to the roll area, where you can also see marks to easily measure what size roll is loaded in the printer. All of these simple changes make operating the printer convenient and easy. The same multifunction roll system on previous generations is available on the new Pro X600 series. The cool thing about the multifunction roll system is that it can be used to hold dual rolls for easily switching between media, or to use it as a take-up reel. The multifunction roll system comes standard in the 60-inch Pro 6600, while it is an option for the Pro 4600 and 2600. Another thing we love about Canon printers is how easy they make it for the user to print on a wide range of media directly from the printer. Canon uses a feature called Intelligent Media Handling, which uses sensors in the machine to automatically detect the paper type, white point, thickness, and size. It will then adjust the ink settings automatically to provide optimal print results. The new Pro Series works with Canon and third-party medias. Be sure to take a moment to set up a universal calibration on a Canon photo paper to get the highest level of quality in your prints. Third-party medias can be calibrated using the Media Configuration tool. Check our channel to see the detailed video Bob created on how to configure this. We are always creating new content, so subscribe to our channel to never miss a video. If you would like to test your images on our Canon Pro 4600, reach out to us by either calling, emailing, or leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.